Hello guys, my name is Mukanya. I'm a CEO and founder at JT Tips. For today's video, we're going to continue with Perfect. So let's focus on dictionary. What is a dictionary? It's a data structure that is based on key value pair. Okay, so what is a key value pair? Is anything that or any data structure or any feature that you need to, in order for you to be able to retrieve a value, you need to specify the key to that value. So it would be the same thing as we did with array, or I mean with list. So with a list, we need to specify an index to that particular element, because that each element will be stored at a particular, or maybe I can say, let's say for instance, you have a pen for men, you have on your pen, or any on your clothes for anyone. Then you have pocket. So each pocket has the number. So if you can place each pocket with a particular number, you know that you put your money, or you put something, or you put your important thing at a specific pocket. So just see that those pockets as where your item it's been placed. So that is will be the same thing as index. So index is where, and key are the same thing where we store our elements. All right. So there's different ways of creating dictionary. I'm going to show you those two ways. So let's start with the first way that you can use. I'm going to say maybe person detail. Use we can use this KD bracket. Then you can say name, and then we have column and its value. It should be maybe just a fake name. Let's see. Which name can I use? Whatever. There we have surname. All right. So, and then okay. Another way that you can create a dictionary is by using a dict function. It's a built-in function. You can use it as well. Then with this one, we can say maybe company details equals to dict. So with this one, we need to use kind of a variable. We create a variable, then we can say name with an equal sign, then you specify the value. Say maybe JT then specify maybe address. So online about let me just say maybe about say software Constantine and IT college. Okay. So this is going to be how we can create a dictionary. So you can see the implementation of how we're going to make use of a dict function and the curly bracket are totally different. So with the curly bracket, we need to make use of a colon, and then with a dict function, we need to make use of equal sign. Because if we use this approach, we're going to get an error. Okay. So let's display those dictionary display. Okay, I will start with the first one. Then we're just going to type person detail, and then we can say company details. Okay, let's have a look. All right. So the output is still going to be the same and like that. So that's why we refer to it as a key value pair. So what if we want to display only the name of from using a personal detail? So I will show you what I mean with displaying the value from the key or accessing the value from the key, like we did with this or tuple to retrieve a particular value. So in here we need to specify the name of that key. Okay, so like we do also, it will give also the value of this key. Let's print it out, and then we say see we were able to retrieve the value. All right. So let's have a look at the different methods. Then we can say we're still going to use person details dot keys. If we use dot keys, then guess what? It's only going to display an array of keys. All right. So let's see. Okay. Okay. So it will give us only key or a list of keys. So same thing for values. And then the last one will be for items. Item will be key value pair, which give also an item. You will see what I mean. Items. Okay, so I'm missing an S on the value, so it will be values. Okay. Okay, here we go. So first we have it's wrap everything with a list. Then for each item, it's been wrapped with a tuple. So you can see we have tuple, and then the outer data structure is a list. Okay. So let me show you how we can also display it using a loop. We're going to use a for loop. So we say for k comma v in this time I'm going to use company details dot item. So remember, item will give also those lists and tuple, and then let's print it out, and then we use those. Now we can do that. Then we can specify k and v. So this is going to be the easiest way that you can, or for performance, then we can go about this way, this route. So let me try to run it, and bingo. Okay. You're welcome to ask any question regarding the video, especially the lesson that we're offering to you. I hope you keep on pressing on. So to learn, you need to do some more exercise, create your own example and use it. And then when you start, you can also share your code and show us what you learn or where you're having issue. Then we can be able to assist you, or one of us or any person will assist you or work on that particular example. Thank you guys. Please share, like, and subscribe on our channel. Bye.